Hey guys, welcome to the last lesson of Module 3. This is Lesson 19, Problem Solving and the Coordinate Plane. A couple things that you're going to do today, or you should be able to know how to do, is know the difference between a horizontal line and a vertical line, and how to find the distance between two endpoints of that line segment, and then use the coordinate plane to graph points, create line segments, and geometric shapes. And the geometric shape you'll be making today is a rectangle across quadrants. All right, so again, two terms that you need to be not just familiar with, but you need to know are horizontal and vertical. Vertical. And they describe both the X and Y axis, horizontal and vertical. So again, horizontal is like a horizon, like when you look out and you say, look at the beautiful horizon, it's looking out at the flat land, or not even just flat, but just the land in front of you. Horizontal is like flat, or left to right, or side to side, east to west. Vertical, again, is the up and down portion. That's the y-axis. It's the tall or the deep part, the north, south, top, bottom. So vertical and horizontal. Get familiar with those terms. Know what they are. Learn them. Horizontal and vertical. So you're going to be using today, pretty much the idea is that you're given a point and then a second point. Connect the points. It's going to ask you how long the line segment is, and then it might give you a set of directions, like go move horizontal, draw a horizontal line segment with a length of 9 units. And then you draw that horizontal line with a length of 9 units and tell us the other endpoint. And then you might have to fill in that connect all the endpoints and figure out what shape it is and move on from there. So today, again, there's really not a whole lot that I can tell you. At this point, we understand how to find the distance between 2 points. We know how to use absolute value and how that works with it. We understand what endpoints and line segments are. And we certainly should be familiar with a rectangle. You guys know what the quadrants are, X, Y axis, which side's positive, which side's negative. So you're just going to get more practice with those concepts today. So as you move through the lesson, it will help you, or it could help you, to use additional graph paper. So I still have graph paper on the front. Please get that if you need some, because it's difficult to flip back and forth and look at those pictures and keep those things aligned. So if you have the picture in front of you on a separate sheet of paper, it could help. All right, let's take a look at the opening exercise. It says, in the coordinate plane, find the distance between 2 points using absolute value. All right, you could do a couple things. You could find those points and write the coordinates down next to them. But really, if we're finding absolute value, it really doesn't matter what the coordinates are. So you probably noticed that one of the dots, the dot in quadrant 1, this one right here, if you count the boxes from the x-axis up to the dot, you probably counted that there were five boxes. So we would say the absolute value of that coordinate is 5. The one on the bottom, the absolute value is 3 because it's 3 away from 0. Again, this is using absolute value to find the distance between 2 points. So 5 plus 3 is 8. The distance between those is 8. All right, and again, this is where, I'm going to be done talking, and really it's up to you. So a couple things. Read the directions. Read all the directions. Don't just start in the middle and think that you're going to get it, because you might not. Please read all the directions. Plot the points. Even put down the ordered pair so that you can actually see it. Plot all the points with the ordered pair and connect them using a line segment. Again, a line segment is just the line that connects 2 points, like this one right here. This is called a line segment. It's just part of a line with 2 endpoints. All right, so yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Follow the directions and do what it says. Use graph paper if you need it, and good luck.